will create a duplicate listing. So if we go back to Maris, my listings, I'm just going to show you this quickly. This promenade, it was listed 20 days ago, 19 days ago, under a condo. I had no action, hardly anything. So I created over the weekend a duplicate listing under single family home. So we're actually going to go into my matrix, scroll down to my listings. Now this is being recorded at a different time, so you're going to see different houses here. But what we want to do, we want to right click and copy that MLS number. Then we're going to go to input up here at the top, add new, residential data, fill from an existing listing, and we're going to paste our MLS number right in there, fill the form, and scroll through, make sure everything came over, make sure everything came across. Now the pictures will not come across, so you want to make sure that everything else is complete. When you submit it, you're going to leave it as an incomplete listing here, and that's when you're going to go email Maris, let them know that it needs to be made active as a duplicate listing. Email Maris. I email listing changes at marismls.com and just let them know that I'm creating a duplicate listing. But the one thing you want to do, and here's a cute little side note. When I did that this weekend, now this is a brand new listing. Look at this, 3 days on market. It looks like a new listing. So if we go down, I want to show in agent remarks, I do add in there that this is a duplicate listing, and you can either put the parcel ID number in here or you can put the other MLS number, but you just want to notate that for compliance purposes. But let me look, and we're going to discover this together. In the history, you will see that the previous listing is here, so they can see if they go to history that, yeah, it's been listed as a condo for 19 days. But you know, what does Zillow know? Zillow's not going to know the difference. They're going to put your stuff out there. It's just a good way to, you know, freshen up that marketing. Now, once you close on that transaction, then you need to close it out in the MLS under your original listing, enter in all the data. From there, you'll email listings at Maris again to let them know that the duplicate listing can then be deleted. And then you're all done.